Hello friends, I am Rajiv Rahman and I present a new job offer for you. So here it is. A renowned company looking for Lathe worker for their company. They have vacancies of on position with a handsome salary of 211,050 yen to 459,340 yen. People who has daily conversational Japanese level are invited for the interview. Every day there is a job fair in our office. Monday, Wednesday and Friday 11 a.m. and Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday on p.m. Our office is very near from JR Kanda station, only 5 minutes by foot. So don't hesitate, come fast. I am waiting for you. Thank you.